So market news is always a busy week for crypto. Always more news and news. I guess I'll start with the bad news first. Obviously, there's still a lot of FUD going on about a lot of regulations all around different regions in the world try to track down ICO, propose more law, look at more traffics. It's all being outlined in a lot of websites like Condex or Cointelegram. Um, more critics saying it's FUD. There's pretty much usual news at this point. Um, Obviously, the two biggest news is the exchange in Japan got hacked. Um, the price action after the news obviously dropped, but has not had as much of an impact as the last major exchange like McGox. Um, they finally tracked down the wallet that being sold, being used to send the token XEM to, and apparently CoinCheck's, the Japanese exchange, is going to compensate for the customers for the token being stolen. So outside of that, Tether continue to be an issue here. Auditor of Tether has just canceled the relationship, um, and they made no confirmation whether the audit is going to be a successful audit even in the past or in the future. So basically, they're wiping their hands. Um, this is a major red flag for Tether. Consider how closely it is to Bitfinex. Um, so buckle up for the storm here, but I feel like this news is gonna come hard in the next 3 or 4 months, if not even sooner.
Hey, on.
Yeah.
So if they are misstating the amount of USD they have in reserve, and that could cause a complete run on that exchange, or they may become illiquid if all of a sudden they're under tremendous pressure to convert Tether back to dollars and they don't have enough to do it.
Right.
That could be really bad. I don't know. I would be kind of keeping my eye out on that exchange if you've got assets over there, because there could be like a bank run. And you find that when there's bank runs here, they will limit the amount you can withdraw on a daily basis to something that's negligible. And then you just watch as your holdings evaporate.
Right. Tether has the if Tether become a scam, it would be the biggest scam this year. Probably have the biggest scam of its kind. It's gonna have the biggest major impact. Um, yeah, this is very bad right here. Not much else to say, but watch out for Tether news and make sure if you actually invest to USDT, which is Tether coin, hash bricks appropriately. So yeah, I wouldn't hold this coin long term at all. It is a bust. So outside of that, if anybody has any question, I'll go move on to the more subtle but positive news in the market. All right. So obviously, there's still continued to the market seems to not favors the crypto exchange, the cryptocurrency, but obviously the blockchain technologies continue to be implemented very generously from U.S. government to Bermuda. It is news. Obviously, some Brisbane just opened the first cryptocurrency airport, and Robinhood um, recently started to a registration for future trader to trade cryptocurrency on the platform. So overall, blockchain technologies continue to be implemented, um, but yeah, so no major no major news, um, but you will see a lot more adoptions going on. So that's all I have.
Yeah, it's going to be pretty interesting to see once Robinhood comes out. I think they have like 16 different cryptocurrencies that you can buy with. So I'm kind of curious to see when they're going to be able to do that. Does anybody know any more details on that?
So they're launching Ether and Bitcoin in 5 states in February. And then they'll have the rest of the US adopted. They didn't give a timeline on that. They're allowing you to view 16 different cryptos, but only purchase Bitcoin.
Yeah. Okay.
But it is a huge game changer because you have this investors to choose from that are already on your platform. You don't have any sort of trading fee, which is a huge plus from Coinbase's 4% or 1.5. So
I know that'll be crazy. No fees at all.
yeah, I think that's what I was looking at, and they do manage like hot and cold storage because I thought the way they would get around it is maybe you don't actually buy Bitcoin, you buy like some sort of financial derivative of Bitcoin, but they are managing their hot and cold storage. So I haven't talked about withdrawal functionality, but if you could transfer it off of there for no.
Yeah. Once that gets implemented and people are able to buy, I'm sure those 16 currencies are going to explode.
Definitely.
Yeah, it is a very good fit for Robinhood because most of the users base for these apps are younger community, obviously have a bigger risk appetite for volatile investment like cryptocurrency. The app's only available in the United States, though they are trying to expand to Australia, but for now look like United States is it.
Okay. Still, that'll be nice.